What's up, guys? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please click subscribe. Look into the video description for my new book, Mastering Credit. So today I'm going to talk about FICO versus VantageScore. Today, most of America uses FICO and Vantage, but when you deal with lenders and they use a different type of FICO score. You have a lending FICO score, a mortgage FICO, you have an auto FICO, you have different scores on the FICO. The Vantage score might be 10 points, 20 points lesser than or more than a FICO score. So the FICO score is really what you need to know. And FICO, I believe, has an app you can download as well. I use Identity Q, which is based off of a Vantage scoring system, but I also have memberships with Experian, Equifax, so I kind of get a big deal. And Credit Karma, which Credit Karma is not all the way, it's not ideally what you want to go off of for your FICO, but it has a type of Vantage score that you can use for free. The app is free, so you can go on there and get an idea of what your score is as far as Vantage score, not FICO, and your credit report, TransUnion and Equifax. So let's see. Both of these companies have dominated since it was created in 2006. Let's see. Was that the Vantage score? No, Vantage score was created in 2006, guys, and has been gaining traction ever since. So Vantage and FICO, multiple credit scores. The Vantage score model and the base FICO models are generic credit scoring models. You apply for a loan, they're going to base that off of your FICO scores, pretty much. Let's see. They have like a tri-bureau versus a bureau-specific models. The Vantage score creates a single tri-bureau model that can be used with a credit report from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. FICO creates bureau-specific scores. While the latest FICO Score 9 might have one name, there are actually three slightly different FICO score models for each of the major credit reporting agencies. And you guys comment below what you think about these different type of credit modeling scores. There were new rules that came out that made it slightly easier for your credit score to go up, as far as Equifax Boost or Experian Boost. You can add your bank account, count your utility bills, your T-Mobile phone bill, whatever, and get extra points added to your credit score, which is pretty good. But the score ranges. The base FICO score ranges from 300 to 850, while FICO's industry score ranges from 250 to 900. The first two versions of the Vantage score range from 501 to 990, but the latest Vantage score 3.0, that's what Identity Q use, and I'm not affiliated with Identity Q. Sorry about that, a phone call. I'm not affiliated with Identity Q. I'm just going off of what I use. And let's see. However, on the 300 to 850 scale, a score of at least 670 for FICO and 700 for Vantage score would generally qualify as having good credit. So if you have a FICO score of 670 and you base it off of the Vantage score of what you use on Identity Q, so you basically have great credit history or great credit scores. Let's see. The difference between the credit scoring factors. Credit usage. Your credit utilization rate is key. Keep the utilization rate, I'm sorry, mixing up my words, down. You have 5,000 credit limit. You want to keep that down below 500 or less. I have mine between $50 to $100, and I leave a little bit on there every month so my credit score can go up every month. I don't pay it all the way off until after they report that to the credit bureaus. So that's how you utilize your your credit score, credit report, utilization. Everything is just a roller coaster, and you want to be able to play chess with these credit bureaus and not checkers. Type of accounts. The type of accounts you need are revolving and installment. A great amount of them, 2 to 3 each, and that's get that great credit scores, great credit history, reports. Everything is positive. You guys, if you have any other thing you can add to this video, please comment below. Keep your hard inquiries down. Keep those down. You don't want a lot of those. They can make your score go down completely, and credit and lenders, they don't like that at all. Credit utilization, we just talked about that. Collection accounts, make sure you take care of them because they can drop your score 100 points or more. Collection charge-offs, take care of those as quickly as you can. Let's see. That's basically the difference between Vantage and FICO. So to conclude this video, VantageScore is higher. The FICO score is the real score that these lenders go off of, and you go apply to get a loan and all of that. They are going off of your FICO score. That's been around much longer than VantageScore, and most of those companies do not give you loans based off of VantageScore at all. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you see this video and you work in the industry, please comment below. But for the most part, they are going off of the FICO score. So your Vantage score is on like Credit Karma, Identity Q, most of these other apps, except for the FICO or the annualcreditreport.com. That is FICO score. There are some more. If I find them, I will post it in the video description below just to help you guys if you want to know more information on that. And Experian has a great blog on credit. Let me just tell you that. Experian has a great blog when it comes to dealing with different credit issues. So see you guys next time, Financier Pro. Please subscribe, comment below. What do you think, guys? Let's get this credit score up.